Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing or unpackaging in this case the Tec Tavakkal Hub 2.0 combo. On the front of the box, we can see the product itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. On the bottom, we have some of the salient features, which include high speed and 4 ports USB 2.0 hub. It supports a transfer rate of up to 480 Mbps. It is also compatible with USB 1.1 and it is compatible with Windows 98 SE, 2000, ME, XP, Vista, macOS 10, and more. It also supports plug and play functionality. On the back, we have some more product description, but it pretty much repeats what we covered on the front. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, all we get is the Hub 2.0 itself, and it clearly has a black color theme going for it. On the sides and on the bottom, there is a glossy black finish, while on the top, there is a matte black finish. In terms of ports, it has three USB Type A interfaces on the top, and underneath that, we have the MS and M2 memory card slots, and underneath that, we have SD card and TF card slots. So up top, we can use the USB Type A interface to uh, attach flash drives like pen drives and stuff like that. You can also attach and read hard drives from it. On the bottom, we have an SD card, and that goes perfectly into the SD card slot, and TF cards go into the TF card slot. So this was the unboxing of the Tec Tavakkal Hub 2.0 combo. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.